first introduced into computer science when I was in high school.
My first experience with technology was when I was very young, about 6 years old.
It was part of our curriculum at the school I went to.
I made my way into computer science class, and I loved it so much that I ended up double majoring in both theater and computer science.
Growing up as a kid in the inner city, I never learned to think about coding. It is so important.
All of my girlfriends, I think, have taken a computer science class, and I'm the odd person out right now.
Having access to technology, and for me in particular, being able to code was a multiplier.
I wanted to do computer graphics. I wanted to be a graphic designer. And people found out, they laughed at me and, all these things. And I'm like, man, I don't care. I think it's cool. And, I'm learning a lot. And some of my friends have jobs.
I mean, the opportunities are endless for somebody who's just getting into computer science, because that's a job that's in high demand right now.
We have all different types of people who work in computer science.
We need the participation of more women, more people of color, to provide a different perspective and a different lens on which problems matter and how we should approach these problems.
It's not just programming, it's not just building things, it's an entire different way of seeing the world.
There's a way that even when you're coding, you can help make this world a better place.
And it's a really fun place to be right now.
I hope you guys want to be entrepreneurs. You want to have your own business. You want to create an opportunity for your family. You want to create your own app or your own platform or whatever. And I'm here to say today that you guys can do that.
Computer science for everyone, literally everyone. Something that gives me the genius to get it and understand it. And it's so far from the truth.
I know it can be intimidating. A lot of things are intimidating, but what isn't?
Don't give up. Don't be discouraged. Don't let anybody tell you that you cannot do something.
If you're a high school student that's thought about taking computer science, just go after it.
We need diverse teams of people in order to make products that reflect what our world looks like.
It's not just a means to an end. It's this thing that gives us hope to solve every problem that the world potentially has.
We're on a mission to help change the face of computer science.
We're going to learn to code together, bring the family, gather around.
Anybody can do it. You should try.
If you can dream it.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Express Your Creativity, and I'm your host, Q Darlington. Today we will be talking about Adobe Express and what you can use Adobe Express for. Adobe Express is a creative suite by Adobe, and it's an easy graphic tools that creators can use to create all kind of content, from videos to images to flyers to whatever thing you want to do. And I'm right here chilling in my house, and then welcome everybody. I'll go ahead to share my screen and while we talk about our topic for today. Today we will simply be talking about Adobe Express. From this angle, you see the plus sign. When you click the plus sign, you see all the things that you can do, from custom graphics, from photos, templates, Instagram story, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, logos, flyer, collage, cards, web pages, videos. You can resize your images, remove background, portrait, and so many other things that you can do. You can look at your past projects, you can look at the brand, you can look at the library of things that you've created. You can also schedule things that you want to create. I don't have this. That is to say, this application is a freemium product. It means that you can use part of it, and you also want to have better content, you upgrade to the premium subscription. So you subscribe. So that is really what Adobe is all about. Today we will really be talking about Adobe creating logos using Adobe CC Express. So maybe you're a businessman, a businesswoman who finds it difficult to create logos for your business, and you think you want to do something very nice for your audience and rebrand, right? Photographer. So we could come here and There's so many things you could do. Look at this, you're about to edit the graph, just logo. I can do it. My name is Darlington, and I want to open up the Darlington scan photograph. No, big photograph. I click on the group. I do, it gives me the ability to click on these balls on group because it's together, and I only want to edit my text. That is just the only thing I want to do. Derek. Oh yeah, is that let's let me use this. Derek photo studio. What color I want my brand to look like? I like my brand to have the color blue, but not blue, just a dark blue. And then photography. You do the same thing for photography. You come over here. You edit it, studio. What my character they wanted to be. You also wanted to. You can pick the same color so that you don't have to make a mistake and have it the same thing. Come over here and switch your text to a loud studio. Increase your font. You have your studio here. So even if you're a business who sell clothes, who have fashion design clothes, and you want to keep creating content for your business, you could really utilize CC Express to create it. Like what I mean, whether you're a designer or not a designer, you will definitely do this. So this is the tricky part of it. I'm about to replace this. First, this you notice this is a picture of its own that was marked around, right? So I can replace this same picture. Photograph from different kind of images that we have, content free things we can use from the internet, completely free. You look for the best one that you want to use. So let's see. Almost anything photography is premium price. Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah, photography is premium price. You can also see things like this. You can also see things like this. I think I can use this. Replace it with this. So I bring this up. Okay. The background, because I don't want to use the background of the camera that I bought. So I have the camera to be this way. I say okay, and I still bring it down, and I still bring it down. But I want my camera to flip the other way around because I don't want it to face me. And I want my camera, my logo to look this way. What has this made me? It is so easy for me to have created this logo for my design. I can use this logo anyhow. The only thing I can just come over here to download. Do I want to download it in PDF? And once I do that, I download it. I have it on my desktop. And so much fun and easy to really be able to create designs and for your business whatsoever anytime. As entrepreneurs, as students, as creative creators, you can utilize content like this to create premium designs and content for your business. Once again, my name is Darlington, and I want to say a very thank you for joining us for today, and we will see you next week. Have a wonderful day.